Broccoli cheese soup. For this recipe, you will need about 1 to 1 1/4 pounds broccoli, a cup of carrots, chicken broth or vegetable broth, cheese, butter, garlic, salt, pepper, celery seed, onion base, more on that later, flour, milk, and cream. The first step is to prepare your broccoli. You want to cut away any leaves and brown spots from the stalks, and then cut off the dried end. Peel the stalks and then cut the crown into florets. Thinly slice the stalk and add it to the bowl along with your florets. Thinly slice the carrot or cut it julienne. Next, melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a soup pot over medium heat. Add about 3 cloves of minced garlic or 1 tablespoon garlic paste, and then sprinkle in the flour. Whisk the flour until it is completely coated with the butter and just turning golden brown. Next, gradually whisk in the broth, whisking constantly to make sure there are no lumps. And then stir in the milk. Next, add the broccoli and the carrots, the onion base. A base is essentially a concentrated stock that's diluted with water to make a bouillon or a broth. And then add the celery seed and bring the mixture to a boil. Simmer gently for 8 to 10 minutes or until the broccoli and the carrots are tender. Puree the mixture using an immersion blender or working in batches in a traditional blender until smooth. Stir in the cream or half and half, and then add the cheese 1 handful at a time, stirring until the cheese is completely melted before adding the next handful. Once you've incorporated all of the cheese into the soup, continue cooking just until it is heated through to your desired serving temperature, and then give the soup a taste and adjust the seasoning with a little salt if necessary and plenty of ground black pepper. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos and recipes, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.